Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and looks like we have quite a legendary casting as well here. We have the 1982 Cadillac Seville, number 7 out of 10 from Hot Wheels, the 80s, and number 75 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. So let me talk about this car a bit to you. So basically, this is quite an old classic casting made by Hot Wheels, obviously, back in the 1990s, 1980s. So essentially, this car just reappeared out of nowhere from the Gucci collab they had for the past, I think, 1 year or 2 years ago in that certain plain white. You might remember that. That's actually sort of like an exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. It came in with the Gucci box, that Hot Wheels Gucci box type of display, and well, it was quite exclusive at that time. It was quite an exclusive Cadillac Seville at that time. And then I think it was 2 years after, they released this, the mainline version of this. And right after this, we have the NFT version, which is essentially Hot Wheels and NFT. I don't really like the Hot Wheels NFT too much. I don't know what's the hype about with the NFTs, but yeah, we're not gonna touch about that today. So we're gonna talk about today's car, which is the Cadillac Seville, in this awesome looking color right here. This is more of like this gold-ish. How do you describe this? It's more of like metal flake goldish. I don't know. It's like a mixture between gold and a touch of bronze, sort of. I mean, the color is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Like, yeah, they've used a bunch of colors previously with this car back in the 1990s, especially at that time, because yeah, you had that exclusive, like, classic type of card, which is just incredible actually. And it looks like the car has finally returned, and everybody's happy about it because well, essentially, many people that are new to collecting Hot Wheels never had a chance of getting this car. So yeah, pretty interesting. At least they tried to re-release an old casting back in 2023, which is quite cool. And yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So first of all, we have to start from the side. So you have this like boat tail type of I don't know, a design, like side design, which is quite cool. It's not a long tail, but still it looks pretty neat. From the side, you can see that it is two-tone paint, sort of, but it doesn't continue much. So from the side, basically you have the two-tone paint between that gold, metal flake gold, and this sort of like brownish, it's brownish, like, I don't know, it's like wood. I don't know, it's like brownish maroon, something like that. Color on the side right there continues to the front, and then you have these, I don't know, it's like lace wheels, if I'm not mistaken. It's like the rims in chrome silver, which honestly looks pretty cool as well. Moving on to the front, we have no headlights. It's already expected, obviously, because the sides, you know. No headlights, no grille detailing. The grille detailing is fine, but still, at least they've done something with that rectangular grille. At least they made the shape like, you know, yeah, that type. And then you have this massive front bumper. By the way, this whole front area is connected to the chrome silver base, as you can see right there. Yeah, you have this long type of hood, quite big as well. Yeah, interesting, very nice. And then yeah, as you can see in the interior, you can kind of see it. It's in that red type of interior, so I think it's like maybe made out of suede, like that suede or leather type of interior, which obviously is not in the Hot Wheels one, but still pretty cool as well. You have quite a tiny little yeah, what do you call this, the roof, I mean the, what do you call that, never mind. Yeah, you have this tiny window so that you can see outside. Obviously you can see it right there. Moving on to the back, you have the rear window right there, as you can see right there, and then you have the rear lights, which are actually connected to the interior. Interesting detail right there. So basically I think the like interior has to be red, I think so, in order to make the rear lights red so that everything would go out great, and not black rear lights. Like what, how, never mind. Moving on to the what do you call that, license plate. We have Hot Wheels right there. As you can see, you have this massive rear bumper in chrome silver. Moving on to the base, so yeah, Cadillac Seville, what's the year? 1980 and 2011 Mattel, and made in Malaysia. So basically, if it says 2 years, I mean 2 different years at the base of the car, that means it is a retool, and it actually is. Well, the retool is not much, but still, well, it's quite interesting as well to see that retool, I think. I mean, it's pretty nice, but overall, I would rate this casting quite high as well. I mean, it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. The fact that this casting has already re-released back in the past, and now it is already returned in this new era of 2023. It's still a fun car and nice to see back in the game. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.